Okay, so good afternoon. Good afternoon, all. Uh, good afternoon, all. Uh, I think we can get started. It's going to be a very small session today. Okay, I'm just going to give you an idea on what kind of classes have we conducted this semester. So before that, till other people join, I'll just send one Google form link. It's just you just need to fill your roll number, email ID, and everything. So I'll just send it in the WhatsApp group. Just fill that in the meanwhile. Yeah, so your slot name is 1TH5-1. Okay, just remember that. Yeah, so just fill that Google form now, ma. Okay, this is for today's attendance. I'll mark your attendance based on this. Mukesh just joined. Mukesh, can you hear me? Mukesh? I've just sent one Google form. Please fill that, ma. In WhatsApp I've sent. If you finish filling it, just send one message in chat that you're done so we can continue. Renuka just joined. Renuka, can you hear me? Renuka, I've just sent a Google form, so please fill that for today's attendance. Oh, okay. Okay, while you guys are doing that, I'll just share my screen, just explain what the syllabus is about and how the classes will be conducted. So, just another 10 minutes and we can wind up after that. Just hold on, I'll just share my screen. Yeah, can you guys see my screen? Can somebody speak? Okay. So it's basically the same kind of stuff that we did for your crash course, but this is going to be totally different delivery method. We are not going to have 1 hour full of Google Meet class or anything like that. How it will go on is, sorry. See, next week, mostly we will start off with a Moodle class. Okay, you have this lms.savita.ac.in, right? So there, for 1 hour, what you guys will get is you will get 3 or 4 videos at the maximum. Okay, already recorded PowerPoint voiceover videos. So each video will be about maximum 5 or 7 minutes. So you just have to watch that video, and based on that video, there will be a quiz or an assignment or an activity. Okay. Now, see, for unit 1, it is purely verbal concepts, which we have already covered. Most of it is covered. It is purely based on company specific papers. Okay. So there are videos available on how to go about answering those sentence error, sentence correction, all those types of questions that you get in the aptitude test. Okay. The verbal section. So once you finish seeing a video, there will be a quiz. Now, quiz will contain about 4 or 5 questions. So in Moodle, you have to attend that quiz and submit it. After that quiz is over, you'll get the second video. After the second video, there is a quiz based on that video. Similarly, maximum 3 or 4 videos will be there in one session. Okay, so it's purely self-study. I will only get you started, uh, you know, in terms of the class. Uh, we can communicate via WhatsApp itself. It's not necessary to hold a Google Meet for it. So yeah, instructions, how you're supposed to go about it, everything will be given in WhatsApp. Okay. So all you have to do is log into Moodle, go through these videos, attend the quizzes, submit them. So your attendance in Cameo will be based on your quiz submissions. Okay. So the week after that, what we'll do is we'll hold a Google Meet and we'll give you feedback on how you have done these quizzes, and we'll also have Q&A sessions, that is question answer sessions. If you have any doubts, all those will be clarified. So that is what will go on this entire semester. Okay, 1 week of Moodle class, second week is going to be a feedback session class. Okay, we are not going to conduct actual classes like how we did in the crash course. Are you guys able to follow? Can you speak? Can anyone speak? Okay. So this is how classes will be conducted, ma. Okay. 1 week of Moodle class, 1 week of feedback session. Similarly, for unit 2, if you see, resume will be an assignment. So you have to create your resume. You can use different templates and all that. Okay. Then unit 3, again group discussions. There are videos on how to go about group discussions. Uh, we can't hold live group discussions for the entire Google Meet class, but maybe we can do 1 or 2 mock GDs at the max. But you will get an idea on what kind of phrases you are supposed to use during different group discussions, during the sessions. Whether it is going to be conducted online or face to face, it's a totally different thing. So you'll get ideas on how to go about doing both. Okay. And then finally, interview etiquettes. You'll get a list of interview questions these guys can ask, how to go about answering questions in maybe online interviews as well as face-to-face interviews. So all these will be covered in alternate Moodle classes and feedback sessions. So your entire semester is going to run like that only. Mostly it's going to be self-study and there will be feedback sessions. Okay, ma. So it's a totally different kind of concept where we are going about doing this semester. Okay. So that's how we are supposed to go ahead. Now what I'll do is, has everyone filled the Google form? Those who haven't done it, please do it for your attendance today. Okay. I will also share the syllabus with you right now. Just hold on. I'll send it in 1 second. Yep. Okay. So your syllabus is shared in your WhatsApp group. So all you guys have to do is just be present uh, in WhatsApp during the next week at 12 o'clock. Before that, you'll get the instructions. Then you can do a self study with LMS, mostly because they are upgrading the LMS right now, the Moodle part. So you'll get a new version of the software. So if that is done, then from next week itself, we can start off with the Moodle classes. Okay. So I hope you guys have understood how classes will be conducted. Any questions? Are you guys clear? Any doubts, questions? Okay, ma. Right. So I think that's all we have to do today. Nothing major. Okay. So please go through the syllabus. It's the same thing we've done for the crash course. So what we are going to do is through these videos and feedback sessions, we'll be preparing you for the entire rounds of interviews that you can face in all the companies that you get. Okay. So that is how classes will go on this semester, ma. So if you have filled the Google form, fine. I'll based on that I'll put the attendance and send you a screenshot on whom I marked present today. Okay. So if you guys have no more questions, then we can wind up this session, ma. That's all for today. Hmm. Yes, Rajesh. Illamma, see, I think they are going to lock attendance on a daily basis. Some people are saying they'll lock the attendance in the first 10 minutes, but I'm not sure whether that will be possible. Um, we have to wait and see till next week because this particular week, every day in the evening, the attendance gets locked. So I have to put your attendance only based on the quiz submission or the activity submission or the assignment submission. So obviously, you have to do it on the same day. If you can see it will only each quiz will have only about 4 or 5 questions, ma. You see the video for 5 minutes, attend a quiz for 5 minutes. Like that, one 3 4 videos will be there. So maximum you will be spending only about half an hour, practically speaking. Yeah. So it is not going to take a lot of your time. We will make sure that it is as simple as possible, all the contents, so you can understand. That's the basic idea of conducting these classes. So during this hour itself, you guys can log in, finish it off immediately, so that it will help me also to mark the attendance. Okay. Any other doubts? Okay, ma. Right. Have a good day then. Thank you. Bye bye.